Welcome everybody to the Wild Wild West, a state that's untouchable like Elliot Ness. The track hits your eardrum like a slug to your chest, like a vest for your Jimmy in the city of sex. We in that sunshine state where the bomb ass him be, the state where you never find a dance floor empty and pimp speed. On a mission for them greens, lean, mean, money making machines, serving fiends. I've been in the game for 10 years making rap tunes. Ever since Honeys was wearing Sassoon, now it's 95 and they clock me and watch me diamond shining, looking like a Rob Liberace. It's all good from Diego to the Bay. Your city is the bomb if your city making pay. Throw up a finger if you feel the same way. Straight putting it down for California, yeah.
Easy motherfucking E with the chrome to your dome. Cruising in my 6'4" rag top. I got a lot of juice, a lot of fucking block. Now when I hit that switch, I'm bouncing. More bounce to the ounce and I'm clowning. Keep the gat in my lap cause I'm fully strapped for the carjackers. But no haps cause I pack a Tech 9 plus a AK-47. Send the one-way ticket to my hell or maybe heaven. Peep, nigga, I don't sleep. Bury motherfuckers in the concrete. You try to creep kinda slow in the Astro, but I peep you niggas out in my left window. So I blast and I blast, so I blast no more. Yo, they call a motherfucker John Doe. Come on. Shake it, baby. Shake it. Shake it, baby. Shake it, mama. Shake it, Cali.
Shake it, Cali.
Shake it, baby.
That's right.
Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, mama. Shake it.
Get them to pal in, sitting on laps, bitch, we write raps. Backdoor access, you getting jealous? Standing on line with designer umbrellas. Bad fellas running with the East Side connection. In the kind of club with a star, check their weapons. Bitch, we clubbing, I'm treated like the presidential. Motorcade taking up the residential. Global perspiration, freaky gyrations, close to fornication. Numbers get passed with ass, information, intoxication, faded, inebriated. Designated driver, lava, MacGyver, blocking freaks in, all of them tens. Who wanna sex? Fucking till security show us the X. Come on. Shake it, baby. Shake it. Shake it, baby. Shake it, mama. Shake it, Cali.
Shake it, Cali.
Shake it, baby.
That's right.
Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, mama. Shake it, Cali.
I give a pound to my man with my right hand. I roll a blunt with my left hand. Give it to the best man. Testing, 1, 2. Do you hear what I'm talking about? Am I coming through? Big Snoopy, Sky Sushi. Don't fuck with a bro unless you kicking in the coochie. Like the big homie Moochie. He say he sports Snoop Dogg clothing. Fuck Gucci. I gotta keep it true, see. A lot of niggas talk shit but won't do shit to me. Catch me on the street. Or catch me in the club, or catch me on the screen. Catch me if you can, or catch me with 100,000 in my hand. Catch me chillin' in the Seaboy stands, or hanging in the hood doing a Seawall dance.
Shake it, baby. Shake it. Shake it, baby. Shake it, mama. Shake it, Cali.
Shake it, Cali.
Shake it, baby.
That's right.
Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, mama. Shake it, Cali.
Out on bail, fresh out of jail, California dreaming. Soon as I step on the scene, I'm hearing hoochie screaming, fiending for money and alcohol, the life of a West Side player with cows die in a strong ball. Inglewood always up to no good. Even Hollywood trying to